This is a short video on how to set up Multi-Factor Authenticator, an MFA app to access the VETDSS Schools Portal on a computer. If you have not saved your portal URL, in your web browser type in https://schoolportal.chisholm.edu.au/ then press enter and save this for future use. This will take you to the welcome login page for the Schools Portal. Enter your specific username relating to your school, then enter your password relating to your username. If you have forgotten your password, click on Forgot Password and the system will send you a link to reset your password. Click Login. After MFA has been enabled on the Chisholm Portals, when logging in, a QR code will appear on your Chisholm School Portal VETDSS login screen. You only need to scan this QR code once into your MFA app. Each time you log into the VETDSS Portal, you will need to access your MFA app to generate a 6-digit code of which needs to be entered each time you log in. After scanning the QR code displaying on your computer screen into your MFA app, click Next on your login screen. In the next few slides are videos with instructions on how to add a token or an account to an existing MFA, or add a token or an account to a new MFA for an Apple or Android device. These videos will play automatically. At the bottom of the video screen is a list of chapters and their timeline. Select any of these chapters to view that section or skip through the videos. This is a short video on how to scan a QR code to add into your existing Multi-Factor Authenticator MFA app for the first time when opening the VETDSS portal. You will need to set up an MFA app to access the VETDSS portal. If you have not installed any MFA app on your device and you need assistance in doing so, please contact training.aa@chisholm.edu.au for assistance or instructions. For my demonstration, I am using the MFA app 2FAS, of which has already been installed on my device. Open your MFA app up. Click the plus to the top right of your MFA app to add another token or account. Using the camera on your device, take this up to the QR code displaying on your computer from the login screen when first trying to log into the VETDSS portal. Scan this QR code into your existing MFA app. This MFA app has named the token ReadyTech. Your MFA will produce a 6-digit code every 30 seconds, of which needs to be entered each time you access the VETDSS portal. When renaming your token, some apps you can slide to the left or hold down the token name, or selecting the settings wheel to edit. Rename your token appropriately. I have renamed my token Chisholm School. Once you have renamed your token, save this token. On your iOS device, go to the App Store and type in the search bar Authenticator app. This will display all MFA apps available. As you can see, there are many MFA apps. You can select any MFA app, but a preference is either Google or Microsoft Authenticator app. For my demonstration, I am using 2FAS Authenticator app. Download your choice of MFA app to your device. Once downloaded, tap to open this app. Depending on the app you install, in some MFA apps, you may need to select or tap on criteria repeatedly until you successfully pair the token with this application. Click the plus to the top right to add a token or an account to this MFA app. Using your device's camera, take this up to the login screen where a QR code is displaying from your Chisholm Portal login. You only need to scan the QR code once into your MFA app when you first log into the Chisholm Portal. Scan this QR code into your MFA app. Your token will be named ReadyTech or Strata Client. Your MFA will produce a 6-digit code every 30 seconds, of which needs to be entered each time you access any of the Chisholm portals. You can rename your token. Some apps you can slide to the left or hold down the name or select the setting wheels to select edit. Rename appropriately to suit, then save this name. I have named my token ReadyTech Strata. On your Android device, go to the Play Store and tap to open this app. Tap on the search icon down the bottom, then type in the search bar up the top, Authenticator. This will display a list of all MFA apps. As you can see, there are many MFA apps. You can choose any MFA app, but a preference is either Google or Microsoft Authenticator app. For this demonstration, I am using the Microsoft Authenticator app. Download and install your choice of MFA app to your device. Depending on the app you install, in some MFA apps, you may need to select or tap on criteria repeatedly until you successfully pair the token with this MFA application. Once downloaded, tap to open this app. Click Allow to allow Authenticator to send you notifications. Click Accept for privacy notice. Click Continue to help improve Authenticator. Either click Add an account on your screen, or to the top right is a plus to add a token to this MFA app. Select Work or School account. Select Scan a QR code. Using your camera's device, take this up to the login screen where a QR code is displaying from your Chisholm Portal login. You only need to scan the QR code once into your MFA when you first log into the Chisholm Portal. Scan this QR code from your login screen into your MFA app. Then click Next on your login screen. Go back to your MFA app. Your MFA app token will be called Strata Client. Your MFA will produce a 6-digit code every 30 seconds, of which needs to be entered into your login screen each time you want to access the Chisholm Portal. You can rename your token. To the top right is a settings wheel. Select this if you wish to rename your token. Select the pencil to the very right of the name of the token. Rename your token appropriately. I have renamed my token Strata Markbook. Once renamed, click OK to save this token. Click the arrow next to the account setting to take you back to your token homepage. Each time you log into the Chisholm Portal, you will need to access your MFA app, which generates the 6-digit code of which needs to be entered into your login screen. From your newly installed MFA app, enter the 6-digit code generated from the MFA token into the appropriate boxes, then click Submit. This will open your school's portal page. Proceed as normal. Please note that you will need to enter a 6-digit code generated from your MFA app each time you log into the Schools Portal. If you are having any issues using or installing the MFA app, please email training.aa@chisholm.edu.au with your name, your school's name, and your best contact number so that we can assist you. Thank you.